Nagpapahinga ka lang. Makakabalik ka.
Pero wala na po ako sa Astra M.
I agree with Minchie. Hindi mo kailangan ang Astra M para makabalik ka. If they let you go, I'll take you under my wing. Ako magbabalik sa'yo sa itaas, Jenny. You look undecided, Jenny. Natatakot ka bang maging solo artist?
Sa inyo po ako natatakot, Miss Vanna.
Dapat lang. Because once I manage you, I'll be 100 times worse than when you met me in boot camp. Magiging critical ako. Lahat papakialaman ko. Handa ka ba doon? Kakayanin mo ba?
Kakayanin po.
I have been following you, Mi. So far, I don't want to sound bitchy, but it seems like you look so cheap compared to the rest of the 4 girls in the group. Lalo na beside Megan. Hindi bagay sa body structure mo yung mga pinapasot nilang damit mo. Aayusin ko yan. Stand up. Si Jenny lang.
Muna po kayo.
Please stand here. Jenny, shoulders straight. Stand up like a star. Turn around. Are you ready?